I want to start by asking, have you ever lain awake at night staring at your bank balance, feeling that familiar knot in your stomach? Maybe your rent is looming, the fridge is empty, and you're wondering how on earth you'll scrape by until payday. Meanwhile, social media shows everyone else living comfortably or hawking make money fast schemes. Sound familiar? I used to be there too. I'd scroll through stories of people earning thousands online and think, what are they doing that I'm not? Do I need a secret angel investor or a fairy godmother? But here's the thing, you don't. You don't need money to start. You need a plan and the right mindset. By the end of this video, I promise you'll see that making, say, $5,000 a month from home, starting with $0, isn't just another fairy tale. It's a puzzle we can solve together, piece by piece. Let's clear the air. Most of us misunderstand how this works. We've been taught that you need a ton of capital or a fancy degree to build real income, and that belief holds us back. But financial experts tell us otherwise. In fact, behavior, not IQ, predicts financial success. As Morgan Housel puts it, doing well with money has a little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. That means your attitudes, your choices, your habits, those are what matter. If you believe making money online is only for the chosen few, or that the system is rigged against you, guess what happens? You end up self-sabotaging before you even begin. It's not your fault. We all carry these limiting beliefs. For example, if you grew up hearing money is the root of all evil, you might subconsciously avoid money matters, what financial psychologists call money avoidance. Or maybe you think, if only I had $1 million, all my problems would be solved. That's called money worship. Recognizing these mental roadblocks is crucial. And you're not alone in this struggle. Research shows well over 3/4 of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. So if you're feeling anxious, know that millions feel the same. The pandemic and inflation have even spurred what some call doom spending, spending impulsively to feel better now, even though it buries you deeper in debt. Money stress is real, it's overwhelming, and it definitely clouds our judgment. But here's the reframed truth. The problem isn't you, it's the messages we've been fed. The moment we realize that and shift how we think, we open the door to solutions. All right, let's get practical. How do you actually start turning $0 into a $5,000 a month income? It comes down to using the resources you already have, namely your skills, your time, and your internet connection. One online entrepreneur I read about put it simply, if you have a laptop or even a phone and an internet connection, you can start earning without spending a dime on tools. Think about it. What do you know that others pay for? It could be anything from writing to tech skills to artistic talents. Freelancing and service gigs. The easiest way to start pulling in cash now is to freelance a skill you already have. Don't chase mysterious passive income schemes yet. Begin by offering tangible services. For example, if you're organized and communicative, try being a virtual assistant. You can literally advertise your services on a free Instagram page and use a free Canva portfolio to showcase your work. No fancy website needed. If you love to write, post articles or helpful posts on LinkedIn. Many people have landed their first freelance writing gigs just by showing up there. Are you good with design? Teach yourself a bit of Canva or WordPress. YouTube has free tutorials. WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace let you create sites for clients at no upfront cost. Even things like video editing or social media management can pay. Here's a common story. A young person starts posting on Instagram or TikTok for fun and then realizes businesses will pay for that exact know-how. Small local shops often desperately need an Instagram person. You don't need to be famous online. Just tell them, hey, I can make you cool posts and grow your followers. Many millennials and Gen Zers are miles ahead of older business owners in this skill, so use it. One writer noted, if you're Gen Z or a millennial, you are already so far ahead of many businesses that don't understand social media at all. In practice, you might offer a package, 10 Instagram posts and basic engagement for $500 a month. 5 clients like that gets you to $2,500 right there. Mix in another service like running their Facebook ads or editing videos, and you're climbing toward 5K. Teaching and coaching. Another practical path is teaching what you know. Everyone has something they can teach, even if it's not academic. For instance, I once knew someone who taught calligraphy. They learned calligraphy on nights and weekends, then sold greeting cards and held small workshops. Within a year, that became their full-time gig. You might tutor school kids over Zoom. I did math tutoring from college onwards, and it paid about $20 to $30 an hour. Or maybe you're great at organizing or fitness or cooking. Create a simple online class or one-on-one coaching. The beauty of teaching is you can charge per course or per session, and as demand grows, you can increase your rates. No startup cost there except your expertise and perhaps a free Zoom account.
Digital products and UGC. If you want something more passive, consider digital goods. For example, you can design printables, templates, or even simple software tools and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's low cost to publish a $10 to $20 product, though you'll need volume of sales to hit thousands. If your product is $10 or $20, it takes time to build consistent income. In other words, don't expect a 5K payday from day one. Another idea, become a user-generated content creator. Brands pay people to make authentic photos and short videos for their social media. No huge following needed. You just build a portfolio of sample content and pitch it to companies. It's creative work and can easily be done from your phone or laptop. And don't forget, if you try any of these, consider sharing your journey. Start a blog or a YouTube channel where you talk about building your 5K a month plan. People love a build-in-public story. Initially, it won't pay you, but down the line, you can monetize with ads or sponsorships. It costs nothing to start. You already have a phone or laptop, and it can attract clients who find you credible. Now, let's do some simple math to keep it realistic. $5,000 a month breaks down to about $1,250 per week, or roughly $250 a day, 7-day basis. That sounds like a lot. But if you charge $25 an hour for a skill, you need 200 hours a month, nearly full-time. Instead, aim for higher value work, maybe $50 to $100 an hour or per project. For example, a small business might pay $500 for a month of social media content or $1,000 for a custom website. If you land 5 clients at $1,000 each, there's your $5,000. Or mix it up. One course you sell for $200, another side gig at $800 a month, and a few smaller freelancing jobs. The key is packaging your time and skills into services that add real value. People will pay to solve problems. Find those problems, no social media help, tutoring needed, better logo needed, and be the solution. And if you felt even a bit calmer or inspired by what you heard, know this: we are on this path together. Feel free to share this story with a friend who's struggling. Leave a comment about one skill you might try to monetize. It helps to say it out loud, and we can learn from each other. I truly believe you can do this. You have strengths and passions inside you. Use them. And if you want to keep walking this journey with me, consider hitting that subscribe button. We'll keep learning, growing, and reminding each other that progress, no matter how small, is everything.